Welcome back. A viral video making the rounds on social media has taken a surprising turn in the ongoing conversation about xenophobia in South Africa. At a time when tensions over immigration, foreign nationals, and anti-foreigner sentiments continue to dominate headlines, one particular video has managed to transform a serious and often painful issue into a moment of comedy that is generating laughter across the African continent. The video, which has attracted thousands of reactions and comments online, appears to show a man aggressively confronting a woman he believed was a foreign national. According to the clip, the man initially approached the woman with the same rhetoric often associated with anti-immigration campaigns: leave South Africa and return to her home country. For a brief moment, the scene looked like countless other videos that have emerged during periods of heightened xenophobic tension in South Africa. Across the years, many Africans have watched with concern as foreigners have been blamed for unemployment, crime housing shortage, and economic difficulties. The debate has often been heated, emotional, and in some cases, violent. But this encounter quickly took a completely unexpected turn. As the man got closer to the woman, everything appeared to change. Instead of continuing with his anti-foreigner message, viewers watched as his entire attitude shifted almost instantly. The woman, described by social media users as beautiful, confident, and attractive, appeared to completely disarm the man's hostility. What started as a confrontation suddenly transformed into something that looked more like a romantic introduction. The man reportedly stopped telling the woman to leave South Africa. Instead, he began smiling, laughing, and engaging her in friendly conversation. The aggressive energy that seemed present moments earlier completely disappeared. In its place emerged a much different attitude, one that social media users have described as both hilarious and revealing. As the interaction continued, the man reportedly began complimenting the woman and offering to protect her rather than chase her away. The same individual who had seemingly arrived with the intention of demanding that she leave the country was now acting as a self-appointed security guard. But the story did not end there. The man eventually requested the woman's phone number. The interaction appeared to end with a friendly exchange, a hug, and a visible happy man who seemed to have completely forgotten about his original mission. The video has since exploded across social media platforms, with many Africans turning the moment into a symbol of what they see as the contradictions surrounding xenophobic attitudes. Some commenters joke that xenophobia suddenly disappears when beauty enters the conversation. Others humorously suggested that the man's immigration policy appeared to change within seconds of meeting someone he found attractive. One commenter wrote, "From deportation officer to boyfriend in less than 5 minutes." Another joked, "This is the fastest policy reversal in African history."
Hey! Foreigner! Hey! Foreigner! Hey! Stop there! I'm calling you! Hey! If you move, stop there! Stop there! You foreigners, that's my problem with you all foreigners. I told you, you must leave this country before June 30th. I've been calling you, ignoring me. You foreigner, you must stay. Yebo. How are you? Why are you frowning?
It's just the way you are shouting.
No, I'm sorry, my bad. From behind, you look Nigerian. From front, you Brazilian. Sorry. Your papers are complete. I know you're valid. Your passport is legit. Don't be offended. We just don't want illegal foreigners here. You are okay. You are legal. You are good to go. I'm sorry. My name is Nzuzu from Zulu. I want to know who they Zuzu for in South Africa. Please. On June 30th, they will chase away foreigners. Where are you from? Ghana, yebo. Not a problem. We just don't like Nigerians. So now that you are from Ghana, we can let you stay. If you were from Nigeria, it would have been a problem. But don't worry, you're from Ghana. We can let you stay. Okay? But please, I'm sorry. Take my number in case you don't chase you away. Give me a call. Take my number.
Welcome back. Many viewers found the clip amusing because it exposed what they believe is the inconsistency of judging people solely based on nationality. Some argue that the video demonstrates how quickly stereotypes and prejudices can disappear when individuals interact with another on a personal level. Beyond the humor, however, the viral moment has also sparked a deeper discussion about xenophobia in South Africa. For years, foreign nationals from countries including Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Malawi, Ethiopia, Somalia, Ghana, and the Democratic Republic of Congo have reportedly facing hostility from individuals who accuse them of taking jobs, opening competing businesses, or placing pressure on public resources. These tensions have occasionally erupted into violence, resulting in injuries, deaths, destruction of property, and diplomatic tensions between South Africa and several African nations. Critics of xenophobia argue that migrants are often used as convenient scapegoats for broader economic and social problems that have far more complex causes. They maintain that unemployment, poverty, and inequality cannot simply be blamed on foreigners, and that targeting migrants only creates further division among Africans. Supporters of stronger immigration controls, on the other hand, argue that governments must prioritize the interests of their own citizens and ensure that immigration is properly managed. The viral video has not solved any of these complex debates. However, it has provided a real moment of humor in a discussion that is unusually dominated by anger, fear, and confrontation. Many viewers have pointed out that while the clip is entertaining, it also carries an important lesson. The moment the man stopped seeing the woman as simply a foreigner and started seeing her as an individual, his attitude completely changed. For some commentators, that is the real story behind the viral footage. Whether one views the video as comedy, irony, or social commentary, it has certainly captured the attention of audiences across Africa. In a continent often divided by political disagreements, border disputes, and migration debates, the clip has managed to unite people in laughter. And perhaps that is why it has become so popular. Because in a region where discussions about foreigners often end in arguments, this one ended with a smile, a hug, and a phone number. What do you think about this viral video? Is it simply a funny moment, or does it reveal something deeper about attitudes towards foreigners in Africa? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trending stories from across Africa. I'm Chidera Eso. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next report.